Do you wanna know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day. I'm smiling, holding on to your tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow, for now you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song, you know my heart. Cause you know me, know my heart.
Guys, we're here again at the chicken house. We're cleaning our heater here in the chicken house. We do it every time we are fixing to have a new baby chicken. So, alright, I'm here. But that's what we do, guys. We also, what? Okay, you want that one? We also need to clean our ceiling fan over there. And then the heater, the, what is this? Water line, the feed line. We have to blow them off over here, the dirt inside of this feed pan, and then have to brush off the water line over there. And I already did it yesterday, guys. I already brushed that, water line. And the other day we cleaned the big fan, me and my husband. Now we're here. My husband is always in a hurry.
In a hurry, that's right.
Now we're cleaning the heater. We got a lot of lights over here. See, we got long lights, bulb lights. We got a new shavings. We ordered this, guys. The shavings. Alright, I am a assistant of my husband. I'm the one that holding this blower while he's cleaning the heater. So I'm always here at the chicken house every day, me and my husband, because maybe next week we have a new baby chicken. So we're getting ready. We need to clean the place first. That's all, guys, for right now. See you guys in my next vlog. Bye bye. Oh, before I forget, guys, if you want me to shout out you in my next upload, please comment down below in this video. Then I will shout out your name. That's all, guys. Bye-bye.
One, two.